Hey, welcome back, folks. 12:24 on your Monday afternoon. And if you don't like warm afternoons, remember, it could be worse. The Northeast, once again, getting hit by snow. So it's not a typical day in April for the people in the Northeast. Last night, they were getting hit by snow, and into this morning, even some snow still lingering in Boston. Take a look at these temperatures. They're in the upper 30s, the lower 40s. It's 43 in Louisville, 41 in Cleveland, 39 in Buffalo. Back here at home, though, we're under wind advisory, and we're going to be under a wind advisory until 6 p.m. tonight. Now, with this, we're expecting wind gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour. You may have some difficulty driving east to west or west to east because those winds are out of the south. And take a look at these current wind speeds. Now, keep in mind, these aren't your wind gusts. These are the current wind speeds. These are the sustained winds. 29 mile per hour wind speeds in Raymondville and Harlingen, 31 mile per hour wind speeds in Brownsville, 26 mile per hour wind speeds in Port Isabel. So the closer to the coast that you get today, the windier it's going to be. That's why our wind advisory is only in Cameron and Willacy counties. Now, everywhere else, it's going to be windy, just not as windy as toward the coast. Now, with this southerly wind, it's heating us up fast, and it's going to keep us on the warm side. 86 in Rio Grande City, 88 in McAllen, 89 in Edinburgh, 86 in Weslaco, 87 in Raymondville, Harlingen and Brownsville, and 85 in Port Isabel. Now, the temperatures aren't going to move too much. They'll move a degree or two when daytime heating starts to move along, but as far as the afternoon's concerned, it's going to be a warm one. It's going to be a hot afternoon. It's already 88 degrees. So we're above normal temperature today. We're above average tomorrow, but then look at Wednesday. We have some relief coming in the form of a cold front, almost a 20-degree temperature drop from Tuesday to Wednesday. So we'll be way above our average high temperature on Wednesday because 72, that's our high temperature for Wednesday. On the coast, well, your winds are out of the south-southeast at 25 to 30 knots with gusts of about 45 knots. There is a small craft advisory until 10 p.m. Your next tide is a high tide at 3:35 p.m. Seas are at 3 to 5 feet, and the bay water is at a rough chop, so it's not that great of a day for boating. Today, high of around 89, becoming partly cloudy as the day goes on. We're already starting to see some breaks in those clouds, but those clouds are going to start to come back into our area. Warm, humid, and windy afternoon. Tonight we cool down to around 73, becoming cloudy as the night goes on. It'll be muggy, it'll be breezy, and we're expecting some patchy fog tomorrow morning. Your 7-day forecast looking like it's going to be a hot one tomorrow, but then there we go. High of around 72 on Wednesday, but don't get used to that because we just warm right back up. 87 on Friday, and then look at Saturday and Sunday. High of 93, high of around 94. So if you remember 2 weekends ago when we were sitting in the 90s for Saturday and Sunday, well, it's going to feel like that again. Partly cloudy skies and breezy. We're going to continue tracking that next front for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.